Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about why your teeth might still be yellow even if you brush them every day. First off, let's talk about what causes yellow teeth. There are a few different factors that can contribute to this, including genetic, aging and lifestyle choice like smoking, drinking coffee and tea. But one of the biggest culprits is actually plaque buildup on your teeth. Now you might be thinking, but I brush my teeth every day. How could I still have plaque buildup? Well, it's possible that you are not brushing effectively enough. Make sure you are brushing for at least 2 minutes each time, and that you are using a toothbrush with soft bristles. You should also be brushing in circular motion rather than back and forth. So guys, I am going to show you how to make your own DIY teeth whitening cream using just a few simple ingredients. Mix it all together until it's form a paste. Finally, add in a small amount of toothpaste and mix everything together until it's well combined. Now that your DIY teeth whitening cream is ready, it's time to use it. Simply apply a small amount of the paste onto your toothbrush and brush your teeth for about 2 minutes. You can do this once or twice a week to help whitening your teeth naturally. Just keep in mind that lemon juice can be acidic, so it's important not to use this DIY teeth whitening cream too often or leave it on your teeth for too long. Also, be sure to rinse your mouth thoroughly after using it. So there you have it guys, a simple and affordable way to whiten your teeth at home using just a few common household ingredient. Give it a try and let me know how it worked for you. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. For your support means everything to me. Creating content in my passion and knowing that you enjoy it and makes all the hard work worth it, whether you are here for the laugh, the inspirations, or just to pass the time. I appreciate each and every one of you. I am constantly striving to improve and bringing you the best content possible. Your feedback is always welcome and appreciated, so don't hesitate to reach out. I promise to continue bringing you entertaining and informative content that you can enjoy. So once again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.